Welcome. We're here, Dominic. Hey, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Good to see you back. How was the weekend? I hope all is good. All right. Let's start off the session, right? We have less than 3 minutes. And so far, NQ got out from this ditch here and moved all the way through the new day opening gap to Friday high. And let's see what's it gonna do. There's one more level on the micro is 81. On the mini is also 81. Is it? It seems like it. Okay. Actually, yeah, 81. That would be the level that we're looking for. So let's go. Dario, hello. Welcome, Dario. All right. Actually, if I look at the 15-minute and the 5-minute levels, well, there is a fair value gap down there on the 15. Hold on a second. Nothing special on the 5, but I do like this fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. So I'm gonna keep it that. I'm gonna keep that 5-minute CB right there. And we still have some levels down. 1 hour-ish. Okay. Okay. Seems like it wants to go higher. All right, we have less than 1 minute to go. Everybody buckle up. NQ is pushing up to the 81s, I think so. So let's have some fun here. Let's have some fun. $81, yeah, I like that level. Let's see if there's gonna be any kind of pullback. All right. Five seconds. And we have some news at 10 a.m., right? All right, so markets are open. Bit of a drop here. Nothing special. A little bit of a drop here. Gold actually might want to go higher. Looking at gold, we still have a new week opening gap that has not been completely closed. Apex might want to go for that 81, I think, or 80. Let's see. Let's see if it does. If not, then it's still okay. So that level should be, I think it's 80.25 on the micro and the round number of 80 at the mini. I guess we'll see. All right, but this one got taken out. And it's just going. It's just going. No stopping at this one. Hersho, welcome. Good to see you. Hey Chester, good luck. Good luck to you too. So we took out that high, and I'm just wondering, where does this one want to continue? Is this going for all-time high again? I feel like it, right? I feel like we're going for it. Okay. All right. Looks like it wants to go for all-time high. How far are we, actually? Currently... Oh, come on. Totally forgot. We are... Well, about 220 points. We can go there. Maybe not today, but anyway. Looking gold closely. It still did not close the new day or new week opening gap. Hey Akram, good to see you back. What's going on? Is it going? Seems like gold is also going. Look at that. Look at that. Gold wants to go. How far is this gonna go? I wonder. Alright. Took long on gold. Nothing special. Aiming to close the new week opening gap. It left a small gap here. I thought that it might be shifting structure. Anyway, Mo, hey there. Welcome back. My 2 years trading career, you are the only one who stream is always attend. Oh, thank you for the compliment. That actually feels good. Thank you so much, Mo. Thank you. Oh man, my gold trade is gonna go to the dumpster again. What a shame. Anyway. Can't win them all, right? Okay, so NQ broke those highs. What's it gonna be? Hey, William. Oh, Bulenox. Let me check on Bulenox because the Bulenox promo, I think currently they don't have a promo. Yeah, they only have a 45% sale with the option 2 code. So, yeah. So no discount. I mean, there's a 45% with the tomsabo 2 if you put a number 2, but that's only 45%. But it goes for the option 2 accounts as well. They have not updated the codes yet. Maybe a little bit later today, hopefully. I think they're gonna do something about it. As far as I know how things are going with Bulenox, they should be coming out for a sale in response to Apex currently. So they should come out with something. Zoltan, hey there. Surely, yes. Let's go. Yeah, I'm sitting in this gold trade. Where is it? Not this one. Oh, this one. Okay. I'm sitting in this gold trade with micros, of course. So that's the only one I have right now. I had one before the market opened. That was a good one, but I think I'm gonna lose this one. Yeah. I really, really wanted to see this go. But there might not be a reaction. Okay. All right. I'm checking for some levels. Still feels like it wants to push it. I just don't know where. Would be great to see a pullback. My gold trade is gonna take me out most likely, which is all right. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. And what else? Waiting for a pullback on NQ. Uh-oh. Almost over. There you go. It's over. So, how are we doing here? How much cost win lose for one contract on MGC? One contract on let me so for one full point it's $10, one micro. Okay, so I mean one full point is technically 10 ticks in price, which means one tick is $1. Okay, with one micro. So it's not a big deal. Yes, you can trade gold on Bulenox. Yes, William. Yes. Also, you can trade it on Apex or most of these prop firms. You can trade gold futures. Technically, the chart is the same. Like, look at this is the futures chart here, and this is forex CFD chart. Futures, forex, futures, forex. Technically the same chart. Still no pullback on. Okay, now it's happening. Now we have a pullback, and this is the first fair value gap represented after the open. I feel like this one can go back down there. No, it's not going. It's just not going yet. Took a short at 15. Took a short at 15. Not it. Futures NQ, let me show you. Okay, here's my short. I'm full porting, not full porting, but if it makes it, I should be able to pass this Apex account. I already passed one. Let's see. Is this gonna go? Uh-oh, maybe not. Yeah, news in 1 minute, I know. Actually, let me check it again. Oh yeah, that's just that's not the final news. We still have time until 10 a.m. I was figuring maybe it can reprice that first gap after the open, which is not the 930 but the 931 gap. So I don't even have a stop. But this is evaluation only. So I'm just trying to get some evaluations done. Oh, account blown. Unfortunate. That was a bummer. All right. Is this gonna go? Well, I made it to one funded, so that's good. But if it starts to go down again, I'm just gonna go in. I don't care. Okay, so far nothing special. We had a pullback. Next news event is in about 13 minutes. Yeah, we had the news. No problem. pum, pum. Where is this going? I think we have to wait for the 10 a.m. news to be sure of what we're gonna do here. It's just going higher now. How far are we? Yeah, it's going. Next buy side should be at 91. Buy side liquidity at 91.25. I mean, we have some good levels down there, so anything can happen. It's just going for the 91. Okay, yeah. It's still going. Maybe it's gonna go to 84. Not sure. Right now, it's unstoppable. And there's still time until news. Okay. Okay. How is gold doing right now? Gold took some liquidity down from here. Did not manage to close the gap completely up there. Interesting. It can still go up, in my opinion, but we'll see. How far can this one push? Oh well. Let's try to wait for some kind of a positive reaction here. Are we gonna have it? Almost 7 minutes. This is gonna be a long wait. Slow grind here. Slow grind. I mean, if this one would go down, I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. 5 minutes until news. It's gonna be interesting for sure because we have a small gap at 123. Okay, gold is shifting back up there. Let's just get over with the news. Come on already. We're stuck. Officially. Scar, hey there. ProfiTrade, it depends on how you want to activate it. You know, the cheapest one was $85. So it depending on you want to activate it as end of day trailing drawdown, intraday trailing drawdown, consistency, non-consistency. So anywhere between $85 to 400 you can choose, because after you pass the account, you can choose how you activate it. ProfiTrade, they paid out people on Friday too. That's all I know. So we have multiple people claiming that they got paid out even on Fridays. So I have nothing special regarding the case, and I don't see anything bad happening with them for now. So, oops, sorry, quickie phone call. Sorry, guys. Just a quick phone call. Just a quick phone call. I don't know what's happening here, but whoa! Somebody just subscribed. Rolf, thank you for the subscription. Ralph, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome. I forgot what I wanted to say. Sorry. I totally forgot what I wanted to say, but anyway. Looks like this one still wants to go higher. Maybe push it up to the 80s. Not sure. Okay, it's still not going for that buy side up there, but it might just reverse, so I'm gonna be on alert to see what's going on. Yeah, it seems like it wants to go. Take out that 91. Yeah, seems like going for the 91. I don't have an entry yet. Actually, I'd like to see gold to go higher and close the new week opening gap after this move. As for NQ, I think it's just going to slowly grind higher, and I'm not even sure if it's going to turn around. At least not at this point. If it turns around, my target is going to be the down here, the first fair value gap after the market open. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. If we see a market structure shift, I might take a short. We'll see. Excuse me. I was just looking for a switch. All right. I hope it will turn around soon. And now we got the 91. Nice. Let's see if this one's gonna change or not. Yeah, we're just gonna hover here. I feel like it. Gold is basically going sideways. NQ might gonna go for some new all-time high. I don't know. We have the next buy side liquidity level at 268. Otherwise, we just stopped here. I hope it will turn around. I like to go short to target that area down there. And hopefully gold will pick up soon as well. No sign of major pullbacks at this point. So I don't know what to think. Yeah, nothing special so far. In fact, a little bit, it looks like that it might try to go once more. Nothing to be targeted on the 5 minute on the downside. There's a small fair value gap and the minor structure shift here on this 1 minute chart, which doesn't really mean anything at this point. Nothing really moving. Bit of a slow session for now, but we still have quite a lot of time. And, you know, this push can go on all the way until lunch hour or maybe the PM session. Seems like it wants to push. I'm not sure what it wants to do. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Looks like it wants to maybe give one more final push to the upside. Hold on, hold on. How far can this go? It's not too far actually from 268. Bit of a stretch. I mean, not too much of a stretch actually. But I can't force myself into a trade at this point. Oh man. It's just slow. And nothing is moving. Gold slowly making some highs. Hey, no wonder why. Long time ago, I'm doing okay. Oh wow, I don't even remember how long was it. Jesus. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, gold is dropping down now. It was a long time. Amazing. Okay. How is trading? How is everything? Is that retail or institution smoking crack? Well, I don't know. I think, you know, the ones that are moving the markets are definitely the institutions. So are they on crack? I don't know. Love your job? Okay. What are you doing nowadays? You know, it's always good. Uh, you know, if you love what you do, you're basically never work, right? That's what they say. I mean, only trading. Okay. That's the best, you know. If you love what you do, you will never work, right? It's nice to see you too. Oh, thank you. I wish you all the best too, and thanks for dropping in. Thank you so much. Have a good one. I'm looking at the charts here, by the way, and it the problem with NQ for me is that it's too high to go long. If I would take a long and to target the 68 up there, which I think it wants to go there, I would be scared that it can just drop any second, you know, drop down any second, and that's it. And gold is acting up weird, so I have no idea what it wants. This one wants to go. This one just wants to go. I mean, we have some higher lows. Bit of a liquidity sweep here, but I just don't know. Gun to my head, I think it's going to still push it above 200. That's what I think. Nice round number right there. And I just think it wants to go. Still didn't go there. Wow. Managed to stop right before 200. Didn't go there. Right at 99.50, I think that was the level. No, just 99. I was 99, yeah. Amazing. Amazing. Just couldn't get through. Just bounced off. Just like that. All right. Now it's gone through. Okay, we got the 200 now. What's gonna happen next? Hello, Iron Voider. What's up? Interesting levels we are on. And Bitcoin is going higher as well. Okay, got the 200 now, coming back down. Still no sign of proper pullback here. Small fair value gap on the 15-minute at 48. Jacques there. No. No, I'm not. But it was interesting to see how it got to this point. Good morning. Gold funded traders? No, not yet. I heard about them a lot, but I haven't tried them. But that being said, there's still a few Black Friday sales going on today. Apex 90% off, but the activation fee is $125 lifetime. And Tradeify still has the Black Friday promo if you type in BF as Black Friday. And MyFundedFutures also giving you 25% off. I think it's 25% off from Expert and Starter Plus. Will be a quiet reaching. They have futures too. Wow. Okay. I guess everybody wants to get into this space, right? Well, I don't know what's going to be the play here, but seems like NQ is definitely holding this area. And no sign of proper pullback. It's only going to push. They use Project X. Everybody uses that now. They talked about it because like Project X is giving their platform to new prop firms. That is something I don't know if it's an absolute good thing or not. Because there's an issue with them, then multiple prop firms can have a problem at the same time. I think TopStep uses the same platform, but they paid for it or rebranded it, something like that. So good question. NQ. Just pushing it. There's no structure shift, so I'm not gonna go short. That's for sure. In Romania, I don't have so many choices. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, easy and bad. Okay, I see. Just reading it backwards. Yeah. I don't even understand why they do this. So, like, Romania is in a much has much better economic conditions than Hungary and everything. So, I don't know. They should not be on the list. When is the macro? It's gonna be in 6 minutes, 5 minutes or so, something like that. Dow Jones is down. Oh, I haven't checked on it. Oh. Eastern Europe was screened down. NQ cooking. Well, I don't know what NQ is doing, but I'm not sure what it's doing. Currently, something is it's accumulating positions, if that's what's called cooking. In this case, but it's doing something weird. That's for sure. Which I don't like. There is a small fair value gap on the 15-minute here. Not sure if it wants to go down there, but regardless, it's still here. I don't think that it wants to go there, but you know. Oh man, this is just. Again, we're just watching paint dry. I guess maybe I'm hoping that at 1050-ish area we will see some macro in the works. Because until then, this is just painful. Painful. I'm curious if we're gonna go down to that 15-minute gap or not. Oh man. Well, I think we just have to wait until the macro. Maybe the new hour will bring us something. And so far, NQ is just losing grip as well. The only level of liquidity that I like, well, maybe if I look at this in volume imbalance is at 51.78. I don't know if it wants to go down there, but the 15-minute gap is down. That's for sure. Other than that, there's nothing I like. And then it feels like it's just accumulating more positions to go long from here. So I'm not interested to do anything until I don't see a direction happening here. Let's just wait this one out and see what it wants to do. Is it going to pick up some liquidity or not? I'm actually curious what's it going to move. Or what's going to be the move. Okay, it's going into that gap, I think. No, it's not. Okay, well, slow grind. Slow grind. Nothing's happening. Nothing's going on. Oh. It's really like watching paint dry. Went short for 50 in the bag. Let's go. It's time to do some cooking. Yeah, but what kind of cooking? Like real food? Yeah. By the way, I think I told you this, guys, in the morning in the London session, but I lost 5 kilograms in 2 weeks. 5 kilograms in 2 weeks. So I'm eating differently now, and yeah, not eating crap. Yeah, I stopped eating sugar. I stopped eating crap food, and I lowered my calories uh, to be under a limit for the day. And I lost 5 kilograms in only 2 weeks. I was extremely surprised. I go for long walks now. I have to go to the gym. I know. I want to go to the gym. I go for like 4 to 6 kilometers of walk in like 2 times or 3 times a week, which is nothing. I know, but that's what I do. I have to go to the gym. I need to go to the gym actually. There's no other way around it. Three times, yeah. Yeah, a friend of mine who is always at the gym, and he's actually very good in these stuff. He tells me that the bare minimum I should go to the gym is 3 times a week, and I would see some good progress. So if I can just go 3 times a week in about 2 months, I should see some good progress. So especially when I pair it with the way I eat. Now that I'm on a diet, I should see some real good progress. Oh, okay. Walking 3 times, yeah, is better than gym for sugar and blood. Yeah, okay, yeah. I like walking, by the way. I definitely like walking. So sometimes, there's a grocery store about 2 kilometers from where I live, from the apartment. So I just take a walk to the grocery store. So that's 4 kilometers. And I used to do that. Food is 90%. Yeah. Yeah, that's what they keep telling me. Like, I can go, they told me I can go to the gym 5 days a week. If I eat crap, it's not gonna do anything good for me. I mean, other than, yeah, it's good to be in the gym, but if I don't eat properly, then the gym is not going to make me better. So, well, usually vegetables, I like paprika. I like to buy fruits like apples, or now it's the season for banana, but not banana particularly, but some vegetables, some fruit, and I like to make some soup, some vegetable soup. So I buy stuff like that as well. So I'm a hamburger. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Kirk. Beans. Liver Asia. Liver as meat. Oh. Intermediate fasting, also awesome. Yeah, I was thinking about that, but now that I see that I'm making slow progress, which is actually quite a good progress for me in my standards, I think I'm gonna continue. Basically, what I do is counting calories as well. So I'm trying to keep myself under a certain limit, and it's good. Red meat as a burger is good as well. Oh, I actually know someone who told me I can lose a lot of weight if I just eat meat. That's what he told me. If I just eat meat all day, nothing else, just only meat, they told me I can lose a lot of weight. But it takes some time and commitment. I never even know that if I just eat only meat, I can lose weight. Because you need red meat. Oh. ES is going down. I need to burn it. Yeah. Okay, ES. Seems like ES might want to go. And we have this first fair value gap after the open. So that could be interesting. I'm going to be looking forward to that. And I'm still looking at gold. Interesting. Does gold want to go down? But anyway, seems like NQ is pulling it down here to 26. How about that? Okay, picked up liquidity from this 5-minute gap. I wonder if it's gonna be enough for NQ to push it higher. Maybe not. Look at that. It might gonna go. Processed food is bad. Yeah. If soup made some bean soup. Okay. Come over your diet. Only meat. Eggs. Okay. Old fashioned. I don't care if it's old fashioned. It's if it works, you know. Small fair. Yeah, this small fair value gap. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. So that's the 15-minute busy. Actually held price for now. And look at that. What a push. What a push. Amazing. Amazing. Would be interesting to see what it's gonna do about that first gap after the open. Non-stop eggs meat is boring. Time to go. Jacques, thank you for dropping in. If you have some spare time next time as well, just stop by. I'm open for suggestions always. Okay. What is going on here? So I wonder if this gap is going to hold it. So far, it bounced off, but it's hard to know for sure. All right. Okay, it seems like that Bulenox extended the sale for 90% until tomorrow on Tuesday evening. So Bulenox is back to 90% off on option 1 accounts. The word is out. Bulenox is back to 90% off. Attention, attention. Bulenox is 90% off. I'm gonna have to update this. Let's see if this level is gonna hold. Alright, so it's on. Old fashioned is good. Yeah, we should not overcomplicate things, you know. Just keep it simple. That's the way to go. Keep it simple, and that's it. Just keep it simple. All right, the push continues higher on NQ. I guess it could go back to above the 200s, but gotta be careful. Yeah, it's going. It might just want to push it one more time. So what's it gonna be? Is it gonna continue higher or is it gonna change structure here? Okay, I think 200 should be the next target. Yeah, it's going up there. Crypto Panda, hey there. Sorry, I was watching the chart. If I see an entry, but there's nothing here. What type of accounts do you recommend with Bulenox? Well, I always trade the option 1 accounts because I don't care about the intraday trailing. So, and it's obviously cheaper upfront cost, but it's up to you depending on the trading style. Rabbit meat every day. I love rabbit meat. Actually, it was a long time ago I ate rabbit. It could be a trap. Yeah, depending on. I mean, the question is which side is the trap here? We can also go to the 268s from here. Oh man. What's it gonna be? Yeah, so far this 15-minute gap is holding quite nicely. So, hard to decide. Okay. Excuse me. Hmm. Even if an account with the Take Profit Trader? No, not yet. Not yet. And it's definitely frustrating. Easy to make a funded account with a cheap upfront cost like Apex and Bulenox, but with Take Profit Trader, obviously, you have to be more careful. And but I'm gonna do my best. That's for sure. And I'm just restarting the ProfiTrade funded accounts as well. I mean evaluations. I have to divide these to groups because I also trade on Tradeify now, and I have ProfiTrade and some of these others. But the main goal is to push it with Take Profit Trader, maybe Tradeify as well, but Take Profit Trader, I mean, of course, and MyFundedFutures. Well, it's not a big a deal, but obviously the problem is that it's a hard breach. You know, have to go step by step. That's the thing. So you passed another trader file. Let's go. The thing is, I have, you know, I mean, I started with trader weight there, and sometimes it's a little bit, not saying hard, but I have to get used to trader weight because it was such a long time ago. And yeah, I need to get used to it. What a day so far, right? What a day. I'm still looking at gold, what it might want to do here. Actually, maybe I should get into a gold trade. Let me get my TraderWeight account ready. You know. Alright, gotta change the time frame. Okay, let's see what's going on. When do contracts roll forward? I think it's going to be the 17th of December. For now, I think the volume is still going to be higher on the old contract, but it's going to be a little bit later. A few days before that, we should see the volume shifting to the new contract. It's hard to say what's going on here. Bit of a slow grind. Yeah, no problem, movie. I feel like the 268 could be the next step here. You know, picked up some liquidity down here. It might going to continue higher. I'm gonna be looking at this. If it wants to, I think it wants to push it above the 200. And if it does, we'll be ready. It feels like it wants to push it. Oh yeah. Maybe it will pick up some or sweep some orders here, but for now it seems like it wants to push. Hey Fabio, how you doing? What's up? How's it going? No, on evaluation accounts, I took a small scalp on, on Apex, but nothing else. I haven't done anything with the funded accounts. So yeah, just on Apex evaluations, I was fooling around because I told you guys that I'm down to basically one Apex funded account in the past few weeks. So what I did is I have actually today I was building up, so I passed 4 accounts, but I bought like 10 accounts at Apex today. So I passed this account, this one got passed today, and these were traded separately, so no copy trading. This one, this one. So actually I made 1, 2, 3, 4 new accounts, but I bought like 10, so not the best pass ratio, but 4 new funded accounts. That's all I did. So I'm back to 5 funded accounts. But that is it. Nothing special. Yeah, but you know, I bought 10 evaluations and I lost 6. So I thought that I can pass like at least 60%, like 2 more. I'm happy for it, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to make at least 2 more. Do you have to write invoices for Apex payouts? No. They are generating it automatically and they sending it. You would be happy with 2 passed. Oh, I see. Well, you know, practice. You know, just practice. Practice. Just have to practice. I might going to take a long trade on NQ. I might going to enter a long. I entered the long position on NQ. And I'm looking for price to break the highs. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe it's a little bit too much to ask. And I took this trade on my trader weight accounts. Let me show you. Let me fit this to the screen properly. Oh, come on. All right. And up there. Okay. Only with micros, obviously. Hey, Venom. Good to see you, Venom. How's it going? I'm not used to trader weight nowadays, so it's a little bit weird. Good today. Awesome. Happy for you. That is awesome. So yeah, I took the trade here, but I don't know. I want to see it break the highs at 203.75 or whatever. This is on the micro. If it's not gonna do that, it's fine too. We just move on with our lives. Hard to say, but we're going into the lunch hour soon. maybe that's gonna pop the highs. Usually lunch hour when it starts, that can give some kick. So I'm looking to that. The problem is I forgot to connect these orders. I didn't take this trade as an ATM order, but anyway, I can connect it now. And I just want to go to the bathroom, and if it's gonna take out the stop or my take profit first, the other one is gonna be just left there. If it happens in about a minute or so, but I don't know. I have to go to the bathroom. There's no other way around it. I'll be back in a minute. All right, thank you, Crypto Panda. Oh, look at that. We might have a move here, hopefully to the TP. Let's go. We need that TP level to be taken out. Huh. Interesting. I feel like gold also wants to drop, but nobody knows anymore. Hmm. Maybe should have taken a gold trade here. Oh no. It's gonna reverse. Let's do it. You like TraderFi? Yeah, me too. Yeah. Absolutely. Venom, yeah. So guys, by the way, Tradeify today still have the Black Friday sale. If you would like to get some Tradeify accounts, I don't have a custom code yet. Unfortunately, they haven't fixed it, but what can I do? You can still give some credit to the stream if you would like to by clicking my link. And today, you can use the BF code as Black Friday and gives you the best deal on all of the available account plans. And thank you if you would like to do that. Use as link. No, I messaged them multiple times to fix my custom link, but no reply. And well, it is what it is, no problem. But then I have to go with the standard codes. And the way, if you guys want to support, is if you click on my link, and that's gonna give the credit as well. Thank you. All right, so far we're just waiting for this one to pop higher. What indicators using and how's the algo thing doing today? Well, I'm not really. I mean, this trade was taken based on an indicator, so you got me right now. This trade was taken based on this indicator. I'm not sure if you can see it. I think you can. So this was the trade signal right here. This here. This was the signal. Stop loss below here, and the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Well, 17. Yeah, it should be right at the top. So this is why I took it. This here. This one is not a valid signal. This one is not a valid signal. So there's a lot of unvalid signals here. But for example, this was a valid signal. This was risky signal, valid signal, but this was a stop. This was a nice signal just before the open. So it generates a lot of good signals as well. But I'm still testing it. So this is still under development and testing. But, you know, proper risk management. At the end of the day, that's what you do. Proper risk management. But of course, I'm still sticking with the ICT concepts. I'm looking for areas for liquidity. And yeah, that's it. There you go. Okay, this was a good one. I liked it. I liked this trade. This was a good one. Based on the indicator. There's no name to it. It's just multiple indicators coded into one. It's based on fractals or fractals, sorry, and exponential moving averages and zigzag. I know it sounds stupid, but it has a part of zigzag, a part of fractals, and exponential moving averages. That's it. Yeah. Full moon long, half moon short. Yeah. There's nowhere to find it. A friend of mine, who is not actually a close friend of mine, but a guy who I know here, he's coding indicators for MetaTrader, and this is for MetaTrader 5. So I opened up a demo account at MFutures to test it because they have MetaTrader. And that's where I'm testing it. So it's still under development, but it looks actually very good. So he gave it to me to test it out. So all the trades that I take, I was taking on this account. So it's up to $1,000 now. All the trades have been taken based on this indicator, and only with micros. Yeah, it's a slow process, but I'm at $1,000 already. And which is not bad. I'm not DCAing or martingaling or anything. There will be excess, and there will be excess, but it's been under development. I promise you guys that actually it's a secret for Christmas, but it's gonna be. I will have something for you, but it's still not finished yet. and there's still a lot of false signals, and there's still some errors, and it's only working right now on MetaTrader 5, and it's under development to be coded to TradingView. It's only on MetaTrader 5 yet, but it's I'll put it out definitely. DCAing is allowed technically. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a video, by the way, about this indicator, and you can download it, or you know, because I didn't put it together, and the guy told me that he's working on the version, and he wants to sell it, by the way. I mean, not me. I mean, he wants to sell it. That's why he's coding it, and but I'm gonna do something about it so we can have a version to trade it. But first, I want to get some results. Okay. First, I need to test it. I need to get some results. I need to show this that it works. I need to prove it on an account that if I only traded these signals on one particular account, it's still working. So needs to be tested first. But regardless of it's an indicator, I'm still using it combined with ICT concepts as of proper PD arrays, you know, like order blocks or fair value gaps, stuff like that, you know. It's that's a good thing. But it will be ready real soon. Actually, here's another signal on gold. So on gold futures, it gave a very, very, very nice signal to go short here, and everything was lining up here. Look at that, how, I mean, it's optimized for 1-to-1 risk to reward, but if you, here's the entry, enter here, stop here, 24 ticks, I think that's it, yeah, 24 ticks, and look at that, 26 ticks, boom. There's your 1-to-1 R. Perfect. And this is gold futures. And these are all unvalid signals. These are not valid. And let me give you a valid signal. For example, these here, these dots are all valid entry points. Entry, entry, entry. This down here is not a valid short. This is not valid. This is not valid, not valid. So it has a set of rules. This is valid also. So it has valid entries and unvalid areas to enter, but I'm gonna get you guys updated about this. Yeah, this is going for the 268. I see that now. Should have taken some more longs here. It's just pushing it. I'm telling you, 68 will be the target. Yeah, let's go, Venom. Try to use more runner. Yeah, I used to do that, but I have to backtest about the runners as well. I mean, if you're talking about the indicator, but yeah, runners are good too. Exactly. 68. If you look left to the hourly chart, this is what you see on the 13th of November. Swing high at 268. And above 268, so here's 268. Above that, we have a beautiful bearish, well, not a beautiful, but it's technically a beautiful order block. Should be an order block, but it's actually not, so I take it back. ICT would laugh in my face, but still, I like this. This is all-time high, right? So getting closer. That's why 268. Yeah. 69 on the mini. Yeah, sorry. On the micro, it's 68.75. 69 on the mini. Yeah. Yeah, without indicator as well, yes. Having a runner is definitely helpful. I'm still, testing my entries. Close my trade at 1.16 16R. 16R. That's awesome, Venom. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, basically, I'm waiting for a pullback to get in, and it's even better if pullback is happening in a 5-minute or 15-minute order block. Like here, there's a nice pullback here, and boom, it just went. And we have this one too. Also, we had this on the 15-minute, so look at how it got rejected. Actually, after it got rejected on the 15-minute, it's not a beautiful shift, but it shifted structure, repriced this small 1-minute gap here, and then boom, just went higher. So pretty much bullish as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, it is what it is. All right, let's wait this one out. So you mark the gaps every day and trade them with the previous day's open and close. Well, not just that, but I look for market structure. So if we have a previous day high, so I'm definitely looking at the midnight level. Yeah, no indicators here. I'm only using the gaps as certain price levels. So for example, this was, I marked this up this morning. We had a 15-minute gap here, a 5-minute gap down here, which got rejected. We have a 1-hour gap down there. And we have a new week opening gap from Sunday. If you go to the 1 minute and zoom it out, we have the midnight level. So it's part of the ICT concepts. And I'm just looking for how price is, it's all about, price is going where there is liquidity, and there's always liquidity in these gaps and swing highs, swing lows, fair value gaps. I'm just trying to decide which gap it wants to go to, or which swing high. In this case, the 268 is in the target right now, and just try to go for it. I don't really want to overcomplicate it with anything. Just keep it simple. At the end of the day, whatever trading method or entry model you use, at the end of the day, it all comes down to risk management. You can trade with a coin toss, and we have people who did try that and prove that you can trade with a coin toss. You can use indicator, you can do anything to determine which direction the market will go, because all you can do is just guess and just use proper risk management. That's it. That's what you can do. That's what all we can do. Nothing more. Nothing more. All right. This is madness, or this is Sparta, who knows. Ladies and gents, I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't want to take more trades because I didn't take any trades at all. I mean, all I did is just passed for Apex accounts, and this was my result for the day, and this is it. So I'm gonna call it here. I'll be back tomorrow in London session as usual, and I'll be here in New York too. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the Black Friday sales are still going on today. If you would like to support the channel, please click on my links and use the codes. Except Tradeify, use the BF code. Thank you so much. And, you know, take care, be safe. God bless you all. And I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. Okay. And New York too. So peace out to everybody. Bulenox 90% off today and tomorrow. I think only until tomorrow. Yeah. So anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.